Welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. As you can see here, uh, these housemates have been evicted in a house. Koki is out, Buhle B is out, and then the guy is out as well. Yeah, man, it's been a long journey, and we all knew that he might leave. Who am I talking about? The guy. Mshefane has been playing game, but yeah, I doubted that he had fans, strong one. So he left in a house. Buhle B, I was not expecting that. I was shocked, but it is what it is. Now it's showing me that the game has just begun now, That Koki, seeing Koki out, I was like, yeah, the game is just begun now. It's possible to see others leaving next week, coming next week. We're not gonna be shocked now. The game is just started now. And then I'm looking forward for next week. And now it's showing that the game is getting more and more closer now. Obviously, Dube he might leave next week. He's too much. He's full of himself. And then, yeah, man, I'm so glad to see what's happening right now because we are getting close now to close the show now. You know what I'm saying? Only 5 weeks to go now. We're looking forward on that. And yeah, man, I don't know, what do you think about Mshefane leaving his woman behind, and then Buhle B leaving to meet the Baba inside. And then yeah, man, I don't know, and Koki leaving Dube. I think they shouldn't worry that much because probably if tomorrow Dumide Baba get nominated, clearly he's gonna be out. I can bet on that. He's gonna be out tomorrow. I mean on coming Sunday, and then gonna meet their so-called girlfriend. Because I really don't like their relationship. I don't appreciate it. I don't approve it. Because Dumide Baba is just wasting this lady's time and is playing this lady's time. You know what I'm saying? So speaking about that, did you see when Buhle B was looking his journey in a house, whereby he was counting? I don't know what he was counting, and she was like trying to justify why he was doing that. I was like, she knows what she was counting, because there's these rumors that she might be missing her period. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. I don't know, man. What do you think about that? And I'm looking forward to see Bravo B and Didi pursuing something. You know what I'm saying? I'm looking forward on that because come on, bro. Like, come on, Mshefane and Didi. Hell no, bro. No one expecting that will come. We didn't know that it's gonna be. So it is what it is. But I'm looking forward to see Didi and Bravo B pursuing something. And then I want also to see the coming nomination, someone just to destroy or demolish that thing, what's going on between Meli and who's this lady, Thandeka. Because I think he's not that strong, Meli, when he's standing on his own. I mean, if it is strong, I think it's because of might be Nigerians are waiting for him. Yeah, man. So let's see what's going on. And congratulations to King Wanda. We're glad to see King Wanda surviving again. You know what I'm saying? So the game is just started, guys. It's just started. And another thing, I just want to tell you about this guy, Mr. Exactly. That's what I'm saying. Exactly, bro. Exactly. Mr. Exactly. Mr. That's the thing, Joe. That's the thing. Ungenapi, Joe. Ungenapi. That guy is strong. That guy is playing Uyanda's game, and this guy is going to be maybe top 2. The way I see it, this guy is strong. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man, let's see what's going on, and let's not be shocked if one day we see Ashay coming out in a house very soon. Let's not be shocked when you see Bravo B coming in a house very soon, because now they are strong now. The EMA is strong, Thandeka is strong, she's strong. So yeah, man, it's challenge now. The journey just started.